Happy Hatch Day to Rocky. Yeah. 8 years ago, Rocky busted out through the egg. So we're gonna have a little birthday party for Rocky, or hatch day party. And she's already started her party. But yep, I posted some pictures of Rocky on my community tab. Rocky was a sick girl when I first got her, but she's doing good. Hopefully we have 8 more years together. I just love her. She is such a sweet bird. Yeah, you're laid back. You're a good girl, Rocky. She totally trusts me. Except we're going to have a spa day because I see the nails are getting long. So, happy hatch day to Rocky girl. She's going to be getting some bird bread and some avid cake. We're going to party it up, huh, Rock? Yep, we're going to party it up. It's not every day you have a hatch day. Yeah, they love that wicker ball. And Rocky loves to chew on cork bark. So, there's cork bark. You guys all have a great day. We're just, oh, the weather's gotten nicer too, so I'll be able to go to the mountains this week. Yay! Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.